Let me say something which might upset you. If weight loss was all about eating less and doing more cardio, most of the people won't have been fat. It sounds really simple, right? Just eat less, do more cardio. But when it comes to reality, it's really difficult. And the scariest part is the people who follow this and do reduce weight, they gain it back within a span of small time. So, in this video, I'll cover the best way to lose weight, not the fastest, not the trendiest, but a way which will sustain for a long time. So in this video, I'm not gonna tell you to do endless cardio. I'll not tell you to eat less. I'll definitely not tell you to cut down on your carbs. This is not weight loss. This is a punishment which you're doing to your body and to yourself. So when you talk about weight loss is not about just reducing some weight, looking thin for a vacation or wedding. The real goal should be to lose weight, build strength, and sustain it for a long time. And to start this, first we need to fix the way we think of weight loss. Here's where most people mess up. Now, when someone decides they have to start losing weight, they go extreme. They start eating very less. Their food intake is very minimal. They do a lot of cardio, extreme walking, extreme steps, and they cut down every food which they enjoy. That's not how weight loss works. It works on a foundation called calorie deficit. If I was eating 2500 calories to maintain my body, and if I start eating 2000 calories, and so that's a deficit, and your body is forced to use stored fat for everyday work. No magic, no detox, no fancy diet, just the deficit. But here's again where people go wrong again. Let's say if I'm cutting down 500 calories, what people think is if they cut down 1000 calories, the weight loss would be much better. And whereas we think if the more I punish myself, the faster will be the weight loss. That's extremely wrong. It just takes a small deficit which you can take for a long run. Small deficit over long run will always beat a diet of 2 weeks, which you're gonna ruin up, binging whatever you enjoy, starving yourself. So it's a slow process. Take it slow. Small deficit for a long run will definitely get you a long-term result. Now let's get practical. Weight loss happens with the simple three things. First is controlling the quantity which we eat. Most people eliminate everything while they should have a control on the quantity which they're taking inside the body. Weight loss doesn't happen by just eating clean, it happens with eating the food in the right quantity. Second is most people don't take enough protein, which makes them feel hungry. So, if you're a person who's feeling hungry, work on your protein intake for the day, approximately 1.5 to 2 times of your body weight, lean body weight. So, eat the protein, which will make you feel heavy, it won't make you feel hungry, and it will protect your muscles during the weight loss. Third comes consistency. So, design a diet around your routine which you can follow for a long run, small deficit, and no extreme rules, no extreme diet, no fancy diet, no fancy food, just repeatable meals. Now let's talk about training. What most people do is associate weight loss with doing just cardio. So if you're someone who does cardio for a long term, you'll definitely lose weight, but along with that, you'll definitely lose your muscles. So which is a must. We have to avoid that during a weight loss. The best approach would be follow strength training along with your cardio. So, train all your muscles twice per week while hitting your cardio steps for the day. What this will do is force your body to build muscle at the same time flush out the fat which is stored in your body, giving your body a better shape at the same weight. So, the goal is to lose fat, not weight. Now, this is where most people ignore. So, when you start dieting, you start eating clean, but unknowingly your movement reduces, you're longer sitting and everything. So, walking, just moving around, standing burns more calories than you think, and this is called NEAT. So, weight loss is more around staying active. The more you stay active, the more calorie your body burns. Let me say it very clear. Weight loss is a slow process. It takes time. If you're losing around half a kg or a kg in a week, that's actually practical. That's actually a good weight loss, slow weight loss. And slow weight loss is the only weight loss which stays for a long time. If you're reducing a lot within a small span, it's definitely your strength is decreasing, you're way too more fatigued, and it's probably gonna gain back. So Take it slow, take it easy, and don't judge the progress just by the weight scale. So a better approach would be to look at your strength, how you're looking in the mirror, how your clothes are fitting. Plus, this gives you a boost. You look more confident, and weight loss is not a 30-day challenge. It's a complete shift in your lifestyle. Let's keep it simple. The best weight loss is not magic, it's not extreme. It's just simple deficit, hitting your protein intake, staying as active as you can, and focusing on strength and cardio at the same time. So, if you're new to the channel, do subscribe the channel, like the video, and share it with a friend who's trying to lose weight who actually needs it.